Hello friends, we are back with the next set of kanji practice. So we have several kanjis today, as you can see. So let's begin. The first one is the most common one, watashi. So first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So this is watashi. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, like this. So this is watashi, or also we can write wata kushi, which is the original one. So watashi or watakushi. This is I or me, or even for private we use this symbol. Then the next one is otoko, which is for man or male, which we earlier also practiced. So let's do it one more time. So why I keep repeating the same symbols is so that we have the practice and we remember what we have done. So look at the stroke order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, then sixth and seventh. So this is otoko and also dan. So this is for male or man, and this is the rice field and this is the strength. Then we have a new kanji which we are doing it for the first time today. It's for woman. So first stroke like this, then second stroke like this, and then the third stroke. So in 3 strokes this will be done. First stroke, second stroke and third stroke. So this is onna. Onna or also jo. So these are the onyomi readings, dan and jo, and these are the kunyomi readings, otoko and onna. Then next one is for father, which is chichi. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke and fourth stroke, like this. So as you can see, these are the eyebrows and this is the face and the mustache. These are the eyes and this is the mustache, and these are the raised eyebrows. So an angry father it represents. So chichi, also it's fu. And also otosan we write for in otosan only to part will be represented by this character. The rest will be in hiragana. Next is for mother. So again here, this is the first stroke, this is the second stroke, this is the third stroke, and this is the fourth stroke, and this is the fifth stroke. So one more time, first stroke, second stroke, third, fourth and fifth. So as you can see, these two are the breasts of the mother and these are the nipples through which milk is oozing out. So this is how a mother is represented using kanji. So in case of father, it was raised eyebrows, the eyes and the mustache, but in mother, so the breasts and the milking nipples characterize a mother, a new who has just given birth to a child. So this is haha and also bo. And yes, next is the child. So very easy, first, second and third, like this. First, second and third. So this is ko. So it may appear towards the ending as well. So it may be the word ending as well. This is ko. Now the next two are derivatives of this ko. So this is for learning and also this is for study, we can say, or science. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then the child, like this. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th and 8th. So this is called manabu. Bu. And more commonly it is called gaku. Daigaku. So you might remember Daigaku is university. So this is first Dai and then you can write Gaku like this, the one that we just learned. So this is Daigaku or university. So this is how you form a compound kanji. So we will practice these compound kanjis in near future as well in this same practice lesson. So this is just an example. We had learned earlier this Dai and this is Gaku, which we learned today. Next is letter, or it is also alphabet or character or even word. So again the same thing, first stroke, second, third, and then this ko. First, second, third, and fourth. So this is Aza. Aza or G as well. So this is G, the same as in kanji. So if you recall the character for kanji, then the second part, the second kanji of that compound kanji is this letter, which is G. And from there, the G reading in kanji comes from. Next is for sentence or also literature or a piece of essay or something. So which is first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and fourth stroke. First, second, third, and fourth. So this is Fumi. Fumi or Bun, as in Bunpo. So Bunpo is grammar and Bun is sentence, and Po in Bunpo is basically rules. So rules of sentences, which means grammar. So in this way these words are derived. Next we have evening. So first stroke, second stroke, and third stroke. First stroke, second stroke, and third stroke. So this is Yumi. You or Seki. You or Seki is for evening. Then we will use this evening kanji along with the kuchi kanji to form a new character which will represent the name, Namaiwa. So first stroke, second stroke, and third stroke, just like this. And then we add this guchi here. One more time, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this is nothing but na. So the na portion of namai is this one. So when you want to write the name, if you want to write name, then you begin with this kanji and then will be the kanji of mae. Mae, which is the same as in front of. So the other reading is mei. Mei. So it's not like this, mei. So this is for name. And finally we have, although it is for yen as we all know, but another meaning is round, circle, or circular. So first stroke, second stroke, third and fourth. First, second, third, and fourth. So this is maru. Maru means circle, and if we make it marui, marui means the adjective. This is the e adjective, so marui becomes circular or round in shape. And also n, we can write n, which is yen. So maru is basically the circle and marui is round or circular. So friends, these are the 12 kanji characters which we wanted to practice today. So I hope this has been useful to you, and once we complete all the characters covered in this for the beginners course, there are around 120 or 140 characters. Once we complete that one, we will also do the complex kanjis and the compound kanjis, so that you know how to conjugate the kanjis to form new words. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.